Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding Bt cotton. 1. Bt cotton is genetically modified to produce a toxin from Bacillus thuringiensis that protects it against certain insect pests. 2. The cultivation of Bt cotton completely eliminates the need for chemical pesticides in cotton farming. Which of the statements above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. Bt cotton expresses a toxin from Bacillus thuringiensis, Bt, that is lethal to specific pests like bollworms. Statement 2 is incorrect. While Bt cotton reduces pesticide use, it does not eliminate it entirely, as farmers may still require pesticides for other non-target pests or secondary infestations. Bt cotton is the only genetically modified GM crop approved in 2002 by the Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee (GEAC) of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change for commercial cultivation in the country. Consider the following statements regarding Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee (GEAC). 1. It is a statutory body functioning under the Ministry of Science and Technology. 2. It is responsible for appraisal of activities involving large-scale use of hazardous microorganisms and recombinants in research and industrial production from the environmental angle. Which of the statements above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer B. Statement 1 is incorrect. Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee (GEAC) functions in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MOEF and CC). It is a statutory body established under the Rules for the Manufacture, Use, Import, Export and Storage of Hazardous Microorganisms, Genetically Engineered Organisms or Cells, Rules, 1989, framed under the Environment Protection Act, 1986. Statement 2 is correct. The functions of GEAC as prescribed in the Rules 1989 are as follows. To appraise activities involving large-scale use of hazardous microorganisms and recombinants in research and industrial production from the environmental angle. Thank you.